Hi, I'm Arav. So you know that in on 15th August Independence Day is coming. So today I'm going to talk about some freedom fighters of India who gave us independence. So you know that we got independence on 15th August 1947. So I'll give some information about some freedom fighters who gave us independence. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, I will tell the information about the flag of India. So, the national flag of India is a horizontal rectangular tricolor of Indian saffron, white, and India green with the Ashok Chakra, a 24 spoke wheel in navy blue at its center. And it was designed by Pingali Venkaya and it was adopted on 22nd July 1947. And the meaning of these colors are okay, I'll tell the meanings now. In the national flag of India, the top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last band is green in color, shows the fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. So, first of all, I will talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, and he was assassinated on 30th January 1948 in New Delhi. And Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was an Indian lawyer, anti colonial nationalist, and political ethicist who employed non violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule and in turn inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. Okay, so the next freedom fighter is Bhagat Singh. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga, Pakistan. He died on 23rd March 1931 at Lahore, Pakistan. And he was an Indian socialist revolutionary whose two acts of dramatic violence against the British in India and execution at the age 23 made him a folk hero of the Indian independence movement. Okay, so now I will talk about Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was the Rani of Jhansi. She was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi and died on 18 June 1858 in Gwalior. And her full name was Manikarnika Tambe. And Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was the Maharani consort of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi from 1843 to 1853 as the wife of Maharaja Gangadhar Rao. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indian nationalists. Okay, so now I'll talk about Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on 14 November 1889 in Prayagraj and he died on 27th May 1964 in Tirmurti Bhavan, New Delhi. And he was the first Prime Minister of India and a central figure in Indian politics before and after independence. Okay, so now I will talk about Subhash Chandra Bose, who was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack and he died on 18 August 1945 in Tepai City Hospital, Hipping Branch, Tepai, Taiwan. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero in India, but whose attempts during World War II to rid India of British rule with the help of Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan left a troubled legacy. Okay, so my next video is the Independence Day Grilling special. Independence Day special Domino's grilling. So in that I made grilling from Indian colors: orange, white, dark blue, and dark green. So you can also watch that. And thanks for watching.